Hey.
What's going on? Hey, hey,
Why
hey.
you ain't wearing the mask?
Oh, man, look, I'm putting it on. I'm putting it on, man. I swear to God.
Too late.
Yes.
God damn it.
Once again, slow. All right, what's up, everybody? Once again, my name is DJ Stevens, and we back here with the CDK Bandit, and we're talking about how to defend yourself against an incoming kick. In this case, it's a front kick to a horizontal target. In Krav Maga, we call it the Krav Maga handshake, the groin kick. But in this case, the bad guy is the one doing the groin kicks. Now, I have a couple of different defenses I can do. Starting with my arm defense, it's three points to this defense. The first point is to redirect the strike. I'm redirecting with my hand or forearm. I want to lean forward as much as possible to stop the strike from coming to my face or to my groin. And I'm going to redirect it. Speaking of my face, my second defense or my second wall is going to be here. Just in case I miss, I can block it with my hand. And of course, the third defense will be my body defense, getting my body out the way. So I have my hand, body, and head. As soon as I finish the defense, I can go in with my own combatives. I can do a Krav Maga handshake of my own. I can do whatever I have to do in order to go home safe. Now, there's other defenses I can do, especially if he's doing that big wind-up kick, that telegraph kick, which the average person maybe on the street will do. And I can use my own feet. Don't do it too hard because I don't want to hurt you, but he reaches up and I defend with my own leg, okay, or my own foot. I'm striking the area right to the shin, to the shoestrings. I can use my back foot, which is a lot stronger. I can use my front foot, which is a lot faster. All right, so those are my two defenses. I have my foot, boom, or my front, boom, and I have the redirection with my hand. Defenses against a horizontal front kick, Krav Maga.